In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a follow-up task in Asana. We'll walk through a clear, reliable way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks after a task is completed or updated. Follow-up tasks are perfect for reminders, handoffs, or any next steps that need their own timeline and owner, while staying connected to the original work. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and navigating to your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one, so you're looking at the right set of projects and tasks. You can confirm this in the Workspace selector near the top of the interface. Next, open the project that contains the task you want to follow up on. Projects are where related tasks live, so finding the right project helps keep your follow-up organized alongside the rest of your team's work. Use the left sidebar or the search bar if you have many projects. Now, click the specific task to open its details panel on the right side of the screen. This panel shows you all the task's information at a glance, including its description, assignee, due date, and activity. We're going to use the options available here to create a connected follow-up. Look to the upper right corner of the task panel and click the three-dot menu. This menu reveals additional actions that aren't shown by default, and it's where Asana places more advanced options for task management. From that menu, choose Create Follow-Up Task. Asana will instantly generate a new task for you and link it to the original, making it easy to track context and move back and forth between them. This link helps anyone viewing either task understand how they relate. With the new follow-up task created, update its name, assignee, and due date. Use a clear, action-oriented title that states exactly what needs to happen next. Assign it to yourself or the teammate responsible so there's ownership. Then set a realistic due date to establish accountability and keep momentum. If timing depends on the original task, choose a date that gives enough buffer for review or handoff. When you're done, click outside the task to save your changes. Asana autosaves, but clicking away closes the editor and confirms you're finished. You can always return to the original task via the link on the follow-up, and vice versa, ensuring continuity and clarity for everyone involved. That's it. Your follow-up task is created, linked, and ready to keep your work moving forward without missing a beat. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.